Are you still on the fence about making LinkedIn work for you? Maybe you've been there, maybe you'd already tried it and you've given up. Are those like thoughts holding you back? Nah, it's not for me, I've missed the boat, it's 2024. Look, let me ask you a question. Where are your ideal clients? Where are the decision makers? Which platform are they on? Are they on LinkedIn? If they are absolutely not, I agree with you. But if they are, you want them to come across you. And you don't have to be posting every day. Don't worry about all that. You just need them to find you in search. If they do come across your profile, if you do reach out, they can figure out who you are, what you can do for them, and that's how they'll connect. That's how you're gonna leverage and build the know, like, and trust. So if you're still thinking it's not the right move for you to use LinkedIn, let me ask you a question. Why are you here? The truth is that you have an idea that it is where you want to be. You just don't know how to get there, or you wish somebody could do it for you, right? I get that. We've all been there. We always start at zero. So let me share something with you. Smart entrepreneurs know how to do this, by the way. What if today was the day that you decided, I'm gonna hit reset and start over and make a fresh start? How does that sound? You can make that decision because you're in control. This is your shift, and it doesn't even have to be a huge change. The biggest thing we need, permission. We need your permission. Permission to start over, permission to commit, and permission to go and use a strategy that's gonna help you get to where you wanna go. That's what the LinkedIn Academy is here for. We're here to support you, to show you the way and give you a solid strategy to get you there in 90 days. So here's 3 ways you can work together. Personal brand boss. This is to create a follow-worthy personal brand that brings those ideal clients to your LinkedIn DMs daily. Number 2, the content conversion system. This is where you'll get never shared LinkedIn algorithms and you'll learn them, and along with how to create that content that open those hearts and wallets. It's guaranteed to attract ideal clients to your DMs on autopilot. And for those who want to go all in, we've got the LinkedIn Business Academy. This is a whole step-by-step system to turn your LinkedIn connections into high-ticket clients with clarity, conviction, and confidence. At the Academy, we can't wait to welcome you inside. So let's make LinkedIn work for your business. Let's show you how to do it, and let's get it done right. Ready to go? And if you like the video, give it a like and hit the subscribe button for more content just like this.